Hello guys, let's prepare some guacamole. These are the ingredients that I have. I have an avocado, a piece of lemon, and onion and tomato. So first we're going to chop off the onion. We'll start with the onions. We're going to dice it. We need it to be in small chunks. That's what I'm doing right now. The first one I did it in slice, and then I chopped it again. So this is our onion, our onion chunks, and now we put it in hot water. The hot water is to soften and season the flavor of onion, and you add some salt so that it fasten, usilie na isikue kali. Now we go in with our tomato. We are going to remove the inner part. The inner part, that is the one with the liquid, so that we don't have a lot of liquid in our guacamole. And then, like we did it as with the onion, you're going to dice it into small cubes like this one. And now to our avocado. Aki, don't mind me, like I don't know where you guys get the perfect avocados. Me, I don't know. This is what I have and this is what I used. Anyway, the main thing is that it's mushy and ile tu avocado fiti, and then we extract the juice from the lemon so that you get that juice. And if you don't have a lemon, you can use vinegar. You can alternatively use vinegar. So now I'm mixing my onions with tomato. That's what I'm doing right now. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. I'll be showing you some great recipes. Now I'm just adding the lemon juice that I had extracted, and then again I'm mixing it up. Now to my guacamole, this is not yet guacamole. This is avocado. To my avocado, I'm adding salt. Munajua venye avocado na salt in a slap. So I just needed to add it first, and then I add in my mixture of onion and tomato. After adding them all, and then I mix it up. You mix it up all together so that you get the perfect and the blend. Alafu sasa imagine ndio inaitwa guacamole. Watu wangu nyamuko wamenajua. I'm serving it hot with rice and some beans, but you can have it with bread, you can have it with so many things. And for tasting, I decided to get my cousins so that they can taste for me. Unajua watoto wadanganyangi, they'll tell you the truth. Kama sasa unaona huyu ameanzia na mchele, but I told them to try the guacamole part, and this is them trying. And I'm sorry for the background noise. Mnajua saizi ni holiday, watoto wako nyumbani, so please bear with me with the background noise. Wait for the reactions. Drum rolls. Rudia tena. Guacamole. Good.